Hello everyone, this is question number 7. This question is again from teaching methodology. Which of the following are advantages of lecture-cum-demonstration method? Lecture-cum-demonstration method means where the lecture method plus demonstration method. This will become the lecture-cum-demonstration method. So here four statement has been given that the advantage of lecture-cum-demonstration method is it will give the clear and permanent knowledge to the student, helping the task of the teacher, helpful in mental development and economical method. So we have to choose the most appropriate answer from the options. So options here that whether B and D statement is correct, A, C, D is correct, or the all correct, or B and C will be correct. So in order to answer this question, we must know what is the difference between lecture method and the lecture-cum-demonstration method. So in lecture method, which is usually called the traditional method of teaching, in which a teacher is standing in front of the board and teaches the students. So basically what teacher does in this method is, so teacher write the facts and information on the board and just explain the topic to the students, and students is here to listening to the teacher and write down all the notes on the notebook. So here only the teacher will be the actively participate in this process, in the teaching learning process. So basically in lecture method, which is called the traditional method, which also called the chalk and talk method, in which teacher is the only center part of the teaching learning method, because the teacher is only who is actively participate in this process. So teacher is active and learners are passive, because learner is here only listening whatever the teacher are saying. They are just listening and writing on their notebook. So we can say it is only one-way communication, which is very easy to use in a large group. It will save the time and money, because the large number of students we can teach at the same time. Because in this method, teacher is basically what teacher is doing. Teacher is just writing on the board and explaining the facts here. Now let's come to the next type of the teaching methodology, which is lecture-cum-demonstration method. So basically in this method, a teacher is moreover focused on the doing the work, which is pre-planned. A teacher is first pre-planned what is going to be teach in the class. So we have to pre-plan the process, because we have to maintain the demonstration. We have to make a demo on the topic, so learner can see and hear, or learner can even participate into the demonstration process. More sense organs involved, because in this method students are also actively participate in the teaching learning process, which is very easy to understand, and developer psychomotor and cognitive domains, because psychomotor and cognitive domains is directly similar to this, helpful in mental development. We can say that it is develop the psychomotor or cognitive domains, which is quite equals to this, because the demonstration method will help in the development of the thinking of a student, or it will increase the cognitive domain of a student. It will lead the experience from concrete to abstract. That means if there is a large number of knowledge and we are getting something fruitful in that, so that will become the abstract. So here there are so many advantages of this lecture-cum-demonstration method. So by observing this, we may conclude that yes, it will give clear and permanent knowledge to the student. It is helping in the task of the teacher. It's also helpful in the mental development of the students, and it is economical method as well. So here correct option for this question will be A, B, C, D. Both all the options are the correct.